Hello, I'm John Russell, and I love languages. Learning English pronunciation is really hard, so join me on an exploration of the sounds of English. Today, we are exploring two sounds, p and b. We often get messages like this. It's a good question. P and b can be difficult sounds for speakers of some languages. Mixing up these sounds can change the meaning of a sentence. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the peach. P and b are similar sounds. They require you to use both of your lips, your top lip and your bottom lip. But there are important differences between them. Do you have a pet? Do you have a bet? Can you give me a push? Can you give me a bush?
The difference between p as in pat and b as in bat is that when you say p, your vocal cords in your throat are not vibrating. If you put your hand on your throat and say p, 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 you shouldn't feel anything vibrating. Okay. And if you say b, 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 you can feel that your vocal cords are vibrating. They're shaking a little bit. They're going.
Tamara Jones, also an expert on pronunciation, notes that some language groups have problems using these sounds.
If you're having trouble pronouncing p, you might want to consider whispering b. So if you come from a language where you only have the b sound, just practice whispering b, 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 b. If you whisper b, this is p.
You can practice with an object, such as a tissue, feather, or a piece of paper. When you do the p sound, you should see the object move. When you do the b sound, the object should not move. Until next time, and keep up the good work.